Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser, and basically all you have to do is to tap on this book icon. Let's tap. As you can see, probably you will be on this bookmarks section, so simply tap on this clock icon in order to enter the history. As you can see, here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and all you have to do is to tap on clear. As you can see right now, you can decide in the time in which time frame you want to remove the history, so the last hour, today, yesterday, and all history. You can of course also close all tabs. It's up to you. To finish everything, simply tap on clear history, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.